Welcome to Ngobothente Shop iChannel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. We have now surpassed 10,000 subscribers. Everyone who have helped us to reach 10,000 subscribers, we thank you so much. For those who haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Hey, tada! This is Ngobothente Shop iChannel. We are here at Lucas Moripe Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns to AmaZulu FC North Potch kunjani?
Ngiphila amapholo kunjani mfowethu?
Chapman, cela usintroduce kubalani.
Igama Wiseman wamadlala Greater Johannesburg branch AmaZulu.
Number 1. Uzwa kanjani igame namhlanje bafana?
Igame abafana badlale kahle kakhulu mapholo just nje ukuthi ama chances besiwathola besingawa convert into goals iyona inkinga esibhekane nayo. So ikona ngikhale ngakho. Number 2, ucoach igame uyiqale wa more defensive angaba more offensive banga attacker ikona kusikhoze kakhulu ukuthi sigcine siluza ngamagoli angaka. So ngikhala lapho nje kakhulu nanokuthi ke abamnika uThembela Sikhakhane chance. I don't know what is the problem. Yena no coach uMangethe. I think we need that guy to give him a chance so that ezolokuza nas prove ukuthi he deserve to be there.
Eyiphenye into uMangethe nabadlali kumele bayishintshe going forward.
I think if bangalungisa kwi defense nakuba more be attack kakhulu into engikhala ngayo because I right back last bes lika khona ugcine iSundowns ithola amagoli be through right back because la be lika khona defense but if you've got a player on a pace can mark and I forward ilas ngakhona amapholo I think ukuthi create more goals but you still need to slide like top 8. Exactly. More points so that you can move away with top 8. We need to be there.
Beautiful, for all the best.
Okay,
Nako, thank you. Shop.